What if you could take the exact same rental property and legally force it to generate 3 times as much monthly cash flow? While traditional long-term tenants provide incredible stability, they severely limit your maximum earning potential on a highly desirable piece of real estate. By converting a standard single-family home into a fully furnished short-term rental, you can charge premium nightly rates to vacationers and traveling business professionals. Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO have completely revolutionized the investing landscape by giving everyday landlords direct access to millions of global tourists who want an authentic local experience. The secret to successfully scaling this highly lucrative strategy without losing your mind is completely automating your guest communication and hiring an elite local cleaning crew. You must also meticulously verify the local zoning regulations in your target city, because many municipalities are strictly cracking down on unlicensed vacation rentals. If you buy in the right highly trafficked location, this massive influx of daily cash flow can allow you to reach true financial freedom with just a handful of properties. Let's log into an incredibly powerful data software right now so you can perfectly calculate the exact revenue, its potential of any specific house in the entire country.